Hey bosses, it's Nina, and today we're talking about how to post to stories on Facebook. I almost got confused. I almost confused myself. I'm all into Instagram stories, but not just on Facebook, but on your business page. If you could see at the top here, I have stories that people are posting on their personal pages. I don't want to go too far. I don't know what they're doing, right? But these are personal pages. You can actually post stories to your business page from your phone. Super duper easy from the desktop, but from your phone, how in the world do you do it? So I'm going to show you how to do that today. Before I forget, if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe. I do tons of videos like this on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and Anchor and Canva and whatever it is that you're looking for. I probably have a video on it. So make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified. I am almost at 10,000 subscribers. Anyways, let's jump in. So first, I'm going to tell you how to do it. Then I'm going to tell you the cases that it may not work. All right, I'm just going to search for one of my pages. In this case, I'm going to look for my Candied Bacon Agency page, which it does work on. It does not work on my Socially Nina page, and I'll tell you why in just a moment. So as I scroll down, you'll see that I have just your regular posts and things like that. But if you scroll down here, you'll see your story. So share everyday moments with your audience. Aww. So I'm going to click the plus right there that you see on the left. Okay. And I'm actually focusing on my pillow, my pink pillow right here. But this is very similar to Instagram in that it has the boomerangs. You can flip this camera around, music, all of these, right? I love music. I'm going to go ahead and minimize that. But today what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to click on the leftmost icon where you can select photos from your phone. Okay. So I guess I'll just pick the photo of me. Unlike Instagram, I can't stretch it. I'm using my two fingers. I can't like stretch it, move it, all of that kind of stuff. But at the top right, you'll see that I can link it to specific calls to action. So I'm going to click on learn more. And I'm going to minimize that. That'll go back to your page. And then there's a little scribbly thing. Let's see if I can get, I don't know. This is not working the way I want it to work. There you go. So I'm going to erase that. So one thing to notice too is unlike Instagram. So on Instagram, I can go to the top, like up here where it says done, undo, like right in that black area. But with Facebook, you have to stay on the picture. So I'm going to choose a color and I'm actually going to choose a size rather on my right hand side. And I can erase that. Go back to the paint. Choose the color. Let's see if I hold it down. Nope. So on Instagram, you could hold it down to get extra colors. You can't do that either. But I can use this, right? All right. So I'm going to click on done. The next one are like GIFs and GIFs and all that other kind of stuff. I do like that I can do a picture within a picture. So I can take this and put that up there, right? And you could do that multiple times. I'm just going to pick this picture, right? So you can do stacks of pictures, which are great. And then you can go and add other items. If you are traveling, shout out to Jessica, because I know that's who this video is. I would always select location. I'm not going to do that because I don't need you guys to see my location right now. Location or event. If the event is on Facebook, you can tag that event or tag the location. What that does is it connects you with other people and it's more likely that you will actually be seen, right? You can also tag people. You can see that, the events, all of that, feelings. So there's a couple of things in here. Again, I like Instagram better, but it gives you the opportunity to kind of jazz it up. I do have like some tips and tricks that you can use, like when you do this, actually dragging it to the corner, just making it look nice. This looks horrible, but I'm just going through these features really, really quick. All right. On your bottom left-hand corner, you'll see some effects that you can do to add around the photos, right? So these are just making, if you look at my picture, just adding some items to it. This is getting very messy right now, but I'm going to go ahead and leave that. You can save it without, and I actually clicked on done. Sorry. You can save it without posting it. So you can use it to kind of create different graphics, or you can click on done and add it not only to your story, but to your post, right? So your story actually is going to send it to your stories. I don't usually, do both unless I really, really need to, but your stories, you're going to put a lot more stories, kind of micro blogging throughout the day, where a post, you might bring all of them together in one. I am not going to post this, not going to destroy that. But again, I'm going to go ahead and keep, if you notice there's a save button, or just add to your page stories. So very quick, very quick overview of how to post to your Facebook stories. Now, I told you if you stay to the end, I would actually show you where it doesn't work. I'm trying to figure out from your desktop, from your phone, the best way to do this, because I know there's a way. But if you look at my Socially Nina page. Let's mute that. My Socially Nina page is a video creators template. So a lot of features that I see on other people's pages, I don't get, but I also get my own features such as spotlighted videos and a lot of other features. I really do like the video creators template, but I believe this may be the reason why I don't have the ability to create stories. Like, for instance, I can create a message just for my top fans. There's a lot of other features that I have that I can use. So it may be that I'm using video creators template, or it may be because I use Business Manager to manage this page. So for those of you that are social media managers, let me know if you have this feature, or if you have the video creator template, let me know if you have this feature, just so I know. I'm going to go through a couple other pages to see what happens. But again, that's my caveat. So don't leave messages below saying, hey, it doesn't work for me. If it doesn't work for you, tell me like what template you're using, or if you're using Business Manager, or if there's anything different that you see, so we can figure it out together. If you like these videos, and if you notice I'm doing portrait mode, so if you're on your phone, I should have told you this before, you can just watch this as a full screen video in portrait mode. But if you like these type of videos, let me know. I'll do more of them. Thank you for watching my video to the end. Ciao.